guys, welcome back to my channel Mishakal Me. Hope you all are doing well. So it's DIY Wednesday, yay! In today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to create not these flowers for sure. I'll be showing you how to create this simple DIY bottle art using acrylic paints and dots. It's called mandala art. So let's get started. To begin with, you will need a bottle. Obviously, right? Bottle art will need a bottle. So this is an olive oil bottle. I have removed all the stickers and I have cleaned it and dried it out. And you will need acrylic colors. I'll be using acrylic colors by Fevicryl here. And some round shape tools. You can use your nail art dotting tools. If you don't have that, you can use earbuds like so. If you don't even have earbuds, you can use the pencil, the behind of the pencil, to create the dots. Now I'll dip the earbud straight into that paint and start creating dots in a circular pattern. So I'm starting with the base of the bottle like so and creating dots. So mandala art is basically creating dots in a circular pattern with different colors, light to dark, dark to light, and it's also called dottalism or decor. So I'm going to create a basic mandala because even I'm a beginner in this bottle art, right? So let's get going. You can use any colors of your choice. Because it's a green bottle, I'm going with some yellow, pink, orange colors. So now with the next color, I'm going to create dots in between those yellow dots like so, but in the next row. So I'm holding the bottle like this upside down and creating dots. Actually, I shouldn't have used this pink because it's way lighter than I expected. I wanted it to pop out, but it didn't. It is way too light. So if you're doing this on a green bottle, then I expect you all to mix it with a little white so that you can get light pink dots that will pop up on this bottle. For the next row, I'm going to use my dotting tool. It's a tiny dotting tool, and with the help of this dotting tool, I'm going to dip this in the yellow paint and create a border for that pink dot. So I'm just creating 4 to 5 dots, encircling that pink one, and I leave the next one free and go to the next one. So I'll leave one pink dot in between free. I hope that makes sense. Now for the next row, I'll dip that earbud in orange acrylic paint and create dots over that leftover pink dot in between. You remember I told you leave one pink dot in between, so I'm going to create orange dot above that pink dot. So there are too many dots, dots. So for the next row, I'll take my dotting tool again and dip it in the yellow paint and create 3 dots above the orange dots like this. I hope this is self-explanatory. So basically doing dots and more dots and colorful dots. I said earlier, I'm going to create an easy mandala art on this bottle. Now in between that space, to cover that space, I'm going to create a large white dot like so with the help of a dotting tool, and then encircle it with yellow dots like this. I'm not going to explain this because this is very much self-explanatory, so please keep on watching. Creating the same pattern all over the bottle like so. See, this is how it's done. I have left some gap in between each mandala art. Now I'll create the same pattern that's there at the bottom of that bottle here on the top. So keep going. Quick tip that I would like to share with y'all is allow each mandala art to dry before you go on to the next one. Here, when I was creating this mandala art on the top, the last mandala art that didn't dry out was spread all over on my hands and all over the bottle. So what you can do here is dip your Q-tip or the earbud in water and rub it against that bottle, and the color will come off. So you will clean it with a tissue paper and then restart. Okay, so the best thing is wait for each step to dry. Once you're done, this is how it will look like. So now if you see the bottle, there's some gap left in between those mandala arts. So to fill that space, I'm just going to create dots randomly using the same colors that I've used in the mandala art, that is yellow, orange and white. I'm not using pink because it didn't pop up like I said it earlier. So randomly creating dots to fill that gap in. And this is how your final DIY bottle art will look like. Very easy to create. You have these bottles at home, wine bottles, beer bottles, olive oil bottles, any kind of glass bottles. If you enjoy watching this tutorial, do give this a thumbs up, comment, like, share and subscribe to my channel Mushakkal Me, and follow me on Instagram and Facebook, and watch my other videos on YouTube. Thank you for watching. Until next time, bye, take care.